Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is BeingGTV. So today I am sharing what I eat in a day. So it is about 7:30, I think it is, and I'm going to make some oatmeal, the apples and cranberries, and I'm also probably going to have a protein bar, but let me figure that out. So I'm not going to have the protein bar, just going to have the oatmeal, and I'm going to put a couple slices of banana in the oatmeal, and that'll probably be it for breakfast. So I hope everyone is having a great start to their day. I have missed you guys. I've just been busy, and I really didn't have time to pick up the camera to record or edit. But I'm back now, so let's go ahead and make this oatmeal. Okay, so this is breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and log in for work, and then I'll be back and check in with you guys for lunch. So for a snack, I'm just going to have some almonds and walnuts, just this little 100 calorie pack, and then I'll probably have just 2 of these little peanut butter balls. That'll be my snack for today, and I'll be back for lunch. Alright, so I have my salad in here. I washed off my cucumbers and cut them up. Turkey pepperoni. And these are just some crispy red bell peppers that you get with your salad from Chick-fil-A. So I didn't eat this yesterday, so I'm gonna put this on my salad today. So yeah, so here is this salad I'm gonna have for lunch, and then I'm just going to add some of this Ken's Italian with garlic and Asiago cheese dressing on it, and that will be it. So for dinner, I decided to do my version of a Chipotle bowl. So I'm using some chicken thighs that I have already cleaned, and I've actually marinated in teriyaki sauce that I picked up from the supermarket. So I'm going to cook that and then cut that up. I'm going to add that to a bowl with some white rice, some lettuce, peppers, salsa, and a little bit of sour cream. And then that will be my dinner for tonight. So if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you for being here and watching my video. And I will see you next time. Bye.